Hey guys, welcome to my video. My car was vibrating a lot on the highway, like really sketchy a lot, and it's not a good thing, and I'm gonna fix it. So instead of fixing it, we came to Jimmy's house and we're hanging out in his air-conditioned music studio and, you know, just jamming out a little bit before we head to go to his shop so I can go fix all the broken stuff on my car.
What are you doing? That's not what that's used for, Adam.
Don't waste my iced coffee, Jimmy. It's a hot one today, huh, Jim?
Gross. So gross.
Yep, but Skyline's got AC, so I'm not out here complaining. I am complaining I broke my phone, that sucked.
How'd that happen, Adam?
I dropped it.
Okay.
Made it to Jimmy's shop. It's very hot in here. I'm not gonna say what the problem is, I'm just gonna show it. I had a feeling. Oh, great news, guys. Jimmy still didn't get a lift.
Oh, shut the...
I had actually changed my wheels around because I thought the wheels were just like starting to delaminate or were out of balance or something because I was getting such crazy vibration. And then I went under the car.
And things almost got bad.
I guess you can't really see, but you'll just have to take my word for it. The drive shaft.
I'm coming in for the save.
You're coming in with a light.
Yes,
all the
sir.
drive shaft bolts are very loose, so.
How's that angle?
It's pretty good. So that's a good thing that I caught this. Look at that. Loosey goose.
I can't believe that wasn't making more noise.
I mean, it got progressively worse. That's how I knew it was something odd.
Oh, 12 o'clock boy!
Dude, I'm not very comfortable wheeling quads.
It's so easy, come on.
I just like trying to ride on three wheels.
Let's see something. No, pull up. Don't let Baltimore down.
I'm not good at quads, Jimmy.
Oh, you're way back.
Drew, he ain't ready for the smoke.
I'm not ready at all. If you want to show me something, let me show it now.
Yeah, man.
I can't
Oh, I thought he was about to show me.
It makes that look so, oh my.
He has like just as much seat time as like Jimmy and everybody on pit bikes, but like it's just never. He's been doing this for a year.
Yo, dude, I have the best pit bike, dude. You'd love it. Dude, it's the best wheelies, man.
Worm alert.
You miss your pit bike, huh?
I miss my pit bike a lot. I'll trade you that part.
Alright, before I get involved in more stuff, we're gonna go grab some food. It makes so much less noise now, just like pulling around. Before it chattered so much, and I just thought it was because of the diff. Time for a much needed upgrade of some extended studs. Some of mine are getting kind of janky where I can't even put a lug nut on anymore. So we got some 70 mil ISR extended lugs and we're gonna swap them out real quick. For whatever reason, I thought I was gonna have to take the whole entire hub off, but the way that these GK Tech knuckles are designed, I can't actually get the studs out without having to remove the hub. I didn't really intentionally plan to continue the video into today, but I noticed that I had a small little oil smell last night, so I started picking around at things, and sure enough, look what we have again. I keep having all these issues with all my lines melting because of all the heat from the turbo and the manifold, but I don't really get it because the manifold's coated, it's wrapped with heat wrap, I have steel braided line with heat sleeve, and it's oriented as far as it possibly can be away from everything, and it still melts. So I don't know what the solution is, if I gotta do hard lines or something, but it's really annoying to have to keep on like working on that stuff because there's like so limited access, and now I gotta go find some dash 10 line or something. So it's a great morning. I guess one cool thing though, since I've been technically driving the R32 as like my daily around here, I've been finding a lot of issues that probably would have presented themselves all at the track at once, but in like a slow and safe manner rather than just like blowing apart lines and potentially damaging stuff. I was pretty hyped on going wakeboarding the other day, and I really want to play with my GoPro since I've never had a chance to do that, and I got one of the like little waterproof case things, so we'll go for a quick little session. It's really nice out, there's no one really on the lake, and honestly, it's a pretty good workout, and it's way more fun than going to the gym. I can never go to the gym. I don't have the patience for that. I actually found this rad board the other day that I really liked. I don't know if I want to try using fins or not today. Look at that shiny truck. Ford power. We're not going to use one of these boats like usual. My dad wants to go for a ski, so we're going to be putting in the fancy new one. I gotta say, Dad, my truck would look pretty great towing your boat. The red on red action? Yep. Your red's a little bit off. Mine matches a little bit better.
Hop in.
How much horsepower does this baby make?
It's only about 350, 360.
Oh, that's a joke. Gotta put an RB in this thing. I still never understand why he trusts me launching his boats. I'm not a trustworthy person. I just get so nervous that the boat's just gonna fall off. He just kind of rolls with it unhitched and it scares me. It's got a nice sound to it. I need a mirror like this in my drift car, it's so big. So this is a little thing I rigged up just with a piece of line, just in case I lose the suction cup in the water, since I don't have like a floaty or anything. That way it's tied to the binding and hopefully I won't lose it. Alright, so RIP to a brand new GoPro. I thought the suction cup was going to fall off, but the plastic clip that holds it in place actually broke off on literally my second jump. And I was stupid and didn't have a floaty on it. And then the binding broke, and it doesn't stay tight. So that kind of stank, but whatever. You going for ski now? You trust me driving?
Yep.
Alright, says a lot.
Can you unhook the front?
No. My dad's getting ready to go out for a ski, and with his luck, look at the jet skis. Why don't you like them?
What, jet skis?
Yeah.
Anything that makes waves while I ski, I don't like.
Yep.
It doesn't matter whether it's a porpoise, a jet ski, or a submarine.
Yep. You're not underneath the propeller, right?
I'm not underneath the propeller.
Okay, just making sure. Can never be too safe these days.
It feels so good in the water, I don't even care if I ski. Yep, you can hit it. He said, you're a lot better than all my other drivers.
Damn right. It's my job.
Everybody hits it too hard.
Oh yeah? You've got to finesse it.
Oh, it's perfect.
Good. Amongst the bad news and random misfortune we've had in this video, I do have a little bit of good news, and it was something that I was kind of keeping a secret slash surprise because I wanted to go down there and surprise you guys. But we were kind of running out of time, and the BMW needed to be picked up to be shipped to Germany, but it's actually been at Active Auto Wreck down in Miami, which is another BMW performance shop that both me and the guys at PSI are really good friends with, and they were kind of like cleaning up the turbo kit and the tune just to make sure everything is really dialed for Germany, and they got it all running good, and I was gonna go down there, we were gonna make a cool video, and then we found out that it needed to get shipped like that. So they had to get the car to the port to get to Germany, and I didn't get to make a video there like I wanted to, but once it's back, I'll probably have it shipped to Miami, and then we'll go down there, throw it on the dyno, show you guys the crazy numbers that it actually made, close out the BMW project. But it's very exciting, definitely stoked. Active Auto Work is probably one of my all-time favorite BMW related companies, and they do really top-notch work, so it's in good hands. Or I should say was in good hands. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll probably pick up tomorrow where I left off today.